Hello, and welcome to SmartLife Solutions, the place where we tackle everyday problems with smart and practical answers. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the mess in your house, or if you've ever spent hours looking for that one item you need, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we will be providing you with some solid strategies to organize your home and transform it into a clutter-free haven. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to bid farewell to the chaos of an unorganized home. Let's dive in. Ever felt like your home is a treasure hunt game where the treasure is your own stuff? If so, you're not alone. We've all been there, trapped in the chaos of an unorganized home, where the simple act of finding a pair of matching socks can feel like a quest for the Holy Grail. It's a universal struggle, this battle against clutter. But worry not, dear friends. Today, we're going to throw you a lifeline. First things first, everything in your home should have a designated spot. Think about it. If your socks had a meeting spot, wouldn't it be easier to find them rather than having to go on a sock hunt every morning? Assigning a spot for each item is like having a GPS for your stuff. It reduces clutter and saves precious time when searching for things. So let's get those wandering items a home, shall we? Remember, a place for everything and everything in its place. It's not rocket science, folks. Next up, decluttering. It's like a regular workout for your home. Imagine it, folks, your home, breaking a sweat, shedding those unwanted items just like you'd shed extra kilos. A tidy space is like a breath of fresh air. It's like spring cleaning, but all year round. It's a chance to say goodbye to items you no longer need, making space for new things and fresh experiences. Regular decluttering keeps your home fit, healthy, and oh so organized. So roll up your sleeves and get decluttering. Your home will thank you for it. Third tip, use storage solutions. Think of them as your home's personal assistants. Imagine a world where everything has its own designated spot. Like a well-rehearsed orchestra, each instrument knows exactly where and when to chime in. Shelves, boxes, and bins are like that. Your home's unsung heroes. They're like the trusty sidekicks in a superhero movie, always there, ready to swoop in and save the day by keeping your items organized. Now, who wouldn't want a personal assistant, right? If you've been enjoying this video so far and finding our tips helpful, consider hitting that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your support not only motivates us, but also allows us to continue creating more content like this. So, if you've always wondered where that missing sock from 2005 went, or if you want to turn your home into a well-rehearsed orchestra, stick with us. Now let's dive back into our tips. Fourth tip, label everything. No, we're not turning your home into a supermarket, but think about it. In the grand supermarket of life, isn't it easier when the canned beans aren't mixed up with the spaghetti hoops? Labeling is your secret weapon to keeping things in their rightful place. It's like giving your items a home address, so they'll never get lost again. And hey, who knows? Maybe you'll find that missing sock from 2005. Fifth tip, regular maintenance. A tidy home is a happy home. You see, organizing your home isn't a one-time event. It's like a marathon, not a sprint. So keep up the pace. A dash of dusting here, a sprinkle of sweeping there, and voila, your home stays organized. Embrace the rhythm of regular cleaning. It's like dancing with your broom, but without the awkward eye contact. And don't forget, your home needs a little TLC just like you. Remember, a little bit of cleaning can go a long way. Sixth tip, don't procrastinate. Yes, we're looking at you, mister. I'll do it later. You see, procrastination is like a kangaroo. It'll hop away from you, and before you know it, you're chasing a mess bigger than before. So when you spot a task, tackle it. Be more wombat, less kangaroo. Remember, the more you delay, the more chaos piles up. It's like letting dishes pile up until you're eating cereal out of a shoe. So stop procrastinating and start organizing. Last but not least, get everyone involved. Yes, even your lazy cat. Think of it like a house party, but with less dancing and more decluttering. Making home organization a team effort can transform a daunting task into a fun family activity. Picture this. Your kids are playing hide and seek with their toys. Only this time, the toys are hiding in their designated storage bins. And your cat, it's the supervisor, overseeing the operations from the top of the bookshelf. After all, teamwork makes the dream work, right? So what did we learn today? That home organization is not as scary as it seems. It's quite like taming a wild kangaroo, only less bouncy and more rewarding. First, we discovered that everything in your home is like a lost puppy. It has its place. Next, we learnt the magic of decluttering, a bit like shedding your winter coat, only you're shedding unnecessary items. Then we ventured into the world of storage solutions, where every item becomes a hermit crab, finding a new shell to call home. And we can't forget about the power of labels, the secret language of your home. Regular maintenance came next, like brushing your teeth, but for your house. And we tackled procrastination, the silent thief of time. Finally, we learnt the importance of getting everyone involved, like a family band, but with less noise and more productivity. So, say goodbye to your chaotic home and hello to an organized paradise. You can thank us later. Before we wrap up, we'd like to extend an invitation to you. Yes, you, sitting there marveling at the newfound understanding of home organization. Why not join our SmartLife family? By subscribing to our channel, you'll be the first to receive our helpful and hilarious guides, just like this one. Imagine an endless supply of solutions to everyday chaos, served up with a side of laughter. It's like having a best friend who's also an expert in, well, everything. So, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey to a smarter, more organized life. And remember, every kangaroo tamed, every lost puppy found, every hermit crab settled, and every silent thief defeated makes your life that much easier. Together we can conquer the chaos. Welcome to the SmartLife family.